Troubleshooting a dark picture on an LG Smart TV. LG Smart TVs contain a host of picture settings for adjusting the TV to your personal viewing preferences. But if the picture always seems to be too dark, there are specific settings that you can change or adjust. Let's begin. The first is energy saving. This feature reduces power consumption by adjusting screen brightness. You can turn this setting off on your TV picture settings. For WebOS 1.0 to 5.0, on your LG remote control, press Settings. Then click on the vertical dots, then Picture, then Energy Saving, then Off. For WebOS 6.0 OLED TVs, on your LG remote control, press Settings. Then click on the vertical dots, then Support, then OLED Care, then Device Self-Care, then Energy Saving, then Energy Saving Step, then Off. Note that turning Energy Saving off will increase the TV's power consumption. Next, you can try changing the picture mode settings to further adjust the screen brightness to your preference. There are a number of options to select from, depending on the type of content you are watching. There is no right or wrong option, it is simply a matter of preference. Once you select an option, you should be able to see the changes immediately being applied to your picture. If that doesn't suit you, choose another from the options until you find one that you like. To view the picture mode settings with WebOS 1.0 to 5.0, on your LG remote control, press Settings. Then click on the vertical dots, then Picture Mode Settings, then Picture Mode. For WebOS 6.0, on your LG remote control, press Settings. Then click on the vertical dots, then Picture, then select Mode. For further details on the available picture mode presets, please check the user guide for your TV on the LG.com website. If changing picture mode settings does not resolve the issue, then try resetting the picture mode with an AV reset. To do this, first exit out from any settings or application that you are currently playing from. Then press the mute button on your LG remote 3 times, and then click AV Reset on the pop-up menu. The Resetting AV Values message will appear at the top of the screen. After the AV reset, if the screen is still dark, try closing all the blinds in the room to eliminate excess ambient light. If none of these steps help, then the last step you can try is to factory reset the TV to help determine if the issue is with the software or hardware. To do this, for WebOS 1.0 to 4.5, on your LG remote control, press Settings, then General, then Reset to Initial Settings. For WebOS 5.0, on your LG remote control, press Settings, then click on the vertical dots, then General, then Reset to Initial Settings. For WebOS 6.0, on your LG remote control, press Settings, then click on the vertical dots, then General, then System, then Reset to Initial Settings. If after factory resetting the screen is still too dark, your TV may require repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.